Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to create a table in HTML form. To creating a table is very simple and a very easy method. See, table will provides you like a basic information of rows and column combination. So if you want to present a data like a user, like a name of the students information or employee information or any product information, you may choose like headings and product information a list. So displaying such a list of items and all the information, we need to put a table. So how simple it is going to be creating a table by seeing. So like a few of the tags we are going to be covering in this lecture. Let's initiate the session. Let's see. Like see, like a table tag, open and end, open and closing tag. Inside the table, tr for the row. First we are going to be creating row tag, and inside the row I am making like it's a table heading th tag. So the heading tag I am applying for first name. Yeah, first name. I'm going very quickly. Like the same tags only we are going to apply now. Yeah, first name, last name and country. We'll see further and focusing on country, which country the person is. Yeah, last name, the country. Okay, the next row immediately what I am trying to giving here is like the first name, last name and country user data information we need to add. For here we need to use for data items td we need to take. So the person first name is John. Yeah, John, and two more tds we require. Oh, sorry. Copy, paste. Yeah, John is from UK. I can write here, and John like last name I can put like Smith. I'm adding only one row. I'm added here. Just save it and reload the page to see the table. Wow, this is the table. See this one after the submit. This is the table. Okay, we'll see very clearly for by applying after the like this one. I'm writing two BR lines. Yeah, now let's see. Yes, first name, last name, country, John Smith, UK. So it's a table is not displaying. The data is visible here, but the table is not displaying. For this, what we will do, the table like style width 90%, or we can add something like border equal to 1. I'm adding very simple attribute. So go over here, refresh, we are getting the border. So how beauty it is. If I want to add one more row, what I'll do, this complete tier I'll take, putting an enter. Yes, two rows I have taken, and the data items I can use like Mary on JJ from like US, and one more name we can take like Krish Kant, and he is from AUS. Simple text, sample text data I'm adding over here. So you can put your friend's name and all. See, John, Mary, Krish, first name, last name, countries accordingly. We can put in a structured based information. If you want to display in a HTML page, you apply for table, you use there and apply like a table, and you present the data very cleanly. So I hope it's a very simple and easy to understand this lecture. We'll catch you in the next lecture by writing a simple comments, how we are going to be applying comments and all in the next lecture. Thank you.